Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, cfvi, reli, cfms, pins, ILUS, ISPO, sonn, alrn, PALI, and our bonus penny stock. We have an exciting Nasdaq profile coming tomorrow between 9 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. Eastern, just before the bell. This company had a recent acquisition expected to put revenues around $20 million in a growing market. Couple that with a low float, this could be the recipe for an explosive move. The only way to get the ticker and our full report is by clicking that link in the description or going to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, especially if you can do pre-market trading on Webull. If you are not already on Webull, also click that link in the description. Sign up and get up to 12 free stocks. With out of the way, let's get into the housekeeping issues. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. Well, today was a typical day after the carnage. Whenever you get a big move in the markets, always the next day it is usually a lackluster session, and that's what we saw today in the SPY. Range was 391 to 396, a lot of chop. I did not do any trade. I don't see any options plays right now for buying puts or calls. I am right now on the sidelines in SPY. I talked about CFVI this week, closed up 7%. We're getting the vote tomorrow with the merger with Rumble, so pretty exciting stuff here. Closed at 1388, bidding 1420 in the after hours. I really like CFVI. I like Rumble. I think this is the right play if you're looking to capitalize on right-wing politics. I think this merger is going to go through, and CFVI I see as a better bet than DWAC at the moment. RELI, I talked about this one last night, guys. I said we had the chairman and CEO insider buying, closed up 11%. The stock opened at 84 cents, ticked down to 83.90. Rallied all day, so congrats if you caught this move. Rallied as high as up to 96 cents, which was potential move of 14%. Typical one, as I've been talking in this channel about round numbers, $1 major resistance. So we need to get above $1 to keep the momentum going. CFMS, talked about this one, had FDA news after hours, running here into major resistance. This is why we did not get a move today. Guys, Finviz, finviz.com. It is a free resource. It's all right there for you. It shows you where the trend line resistance is. And when you see all this resistance, it tells you that unless we can break through there, there's really no trade here. So again, CFMS, this is why it couldn't get moving today. Next up is Pinterest. I talked about this one yesterday in the channel. Citron Research, he's all over this. His tweets are he sees Google buying Pinterest. He said here, don't look now, but look at who has the hottest property on social media. Shuffles by Pinterest this morning was referred as a Gen Z new favorite app. You had the Pivot podcast. In case you missed yesterday about the carnage, Kara Swisher and Professor Scott Galloway both agree this takeout talk is real. And now, just listen for yourself, start at the 59-minute mark. Citron believes number is north of $38. I hate playing takeout plays, but if you want to play, there's the January 35 calls, which are trading at 118. The reason that I always hate these types of plays is because, okay, if I play January calls and they expire worthless, then I'm upset, and next thing you know, the takeout's happening in March. So if there is one, or, and then I'm paying up a premium for further out options. So, it's a lotto play. So I haven't bought the calls yet. I'm on the fence. I look for more solid bets. That's why I really like it. I told you I'm looking for more of sure bets. A sure thing. And there's no guarantees, but the types of trades I do have a higher probability of working out. And again, Citron. This is just their opinion, and I respect Andrew Left. I also respect Scott Galloway. So let's see. Maybe I'll get off the fence tomorrow and buy some January calls. We'll see. Next up is ILUS. We got the big move on Monday, consolidated on Tuesday, Wednesday. Today we got new highs on this recent move. So I really like this action in ILUS. The company put out this September milestone: Serbia first site occupation deal announcement, Form 10 ticker and name change submission, investment bank announcement, QIND $100 million revenue acquisition, further acquisition announcements, and then share lockup and share buyback announcements. So again, ILUS, I really like the price action here. Low looks to be in, and as I said yesterday, I think we're going to head in the short term to 20 cents. Longer term, we're going to challenge the 50 cents highs from last year. Next up, guys, is ISPO. Recent insider buying. Insider buying has been a great catalyst that we pay attention here at insiderfinancial.com. The president, David Callery, he just bought at $2.88. We're trading here at $2.74, so it's certainly an interesting buy here. This was a former runner, so certainly could be a solid bounce play. Next up are three reverse split plays. Reverse splits are hot right now. First up is SONN. They're voting tomorrow on the reverse split. We got one tweet here from OTC is the way. 20% move after hours with the reverse split vote coming before the open. 40 to 1 will put this with a 1.46 million float. 40 million shares traded out of 60 million shares outstanding. The squeeze is coming. How high does this go? It certainly looks interesting, and it's certainly worth playing. So closed at 21.5. We're bidding 25.5 by 26. Certainly trade it, don't own it. I think there's going to be plenty of trading opportunities in these reverse splits plays. ALRN, this is closed up 38%. This is another potential reverse split play. Hoder, Maximus Holler, he's been talking about this one. Starting swing on red day dips, no rest since Q4 catalyst. 3 sets of data in Q4, one for non-small lung cancer and one for breast cancer. Company has around 28 million cash and just a $17 million market cap. Icranian owns 2.8 million shares. I hope they do reverse splits so it can go. Laugh out loud, and I am in agreement with him. This one I think will do a reverse split, setting up nicely here. Close at 27 cents, bidding higher in the after hours, so there's definite strength here in ALRN. Next up is PALI. This is another reverse split candidate. They got, they're going to be presenting this week. It's on Friday at 11 a.m. CEO and Chief Medical Officer. They're going to be doing a presentation. So certainly we got a catalyst coming up here on Friday. And again, I put this in the reverse split category. So certainly pay attention to PALI. But the big play tomorrow will be our Nasdaq penny stock that we're releasing before the opening bell. The only way to get our full report is by clicking that link in the description or going to signup.insiderfinancial.com or signing up on insiderfinancial.com on any of the pop-ups. And the best part is we are a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that being said, I want to wish all subscribers good luck tomorrow with our Nasdaq profile, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell with a new video update. Good luck to everyone tomorrow. Let's make some money. Bye-bye.